guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today we are going to be making like a one-pot chicken parm pasta. It's so easy, so delicious. I make this when I'm like really in a pinch and I just need something quick. It literally takes like 20-25 minutes to pull together. So I'm really excited to share it with you. My son loves it. Like all the kids in my family love it. So if you have picky eaters, I think this is going to be the recipe for you. So I'm so excited. Let's get started, shall we? So I have about 2 chicken breasts here that I'm going to just finely slice. You can also cube them if you like. I just like to do it this way. I'm going to just hit them with a little bit of vegetable oil to coat them, and then we are going to start to season, because on this side of the internet we do not eat bland chicken. So salt and of course some black pepper. You measure with your heart. And then we're going to go ahead and add in marjoram, because of course that's my favorite. We're going to add in paprika. I do about 2 tablespoons of this, some dried parsley, and then you're going to mix it up and either set it aside, or you can do this the night before and just leave it in the fridge. I'm going to go ahead and dice up 1 medium onion, and we're going to set that aside until I'm ready to cook it. I have about 4 garlic cloves here that I'm going to dice up pretty finely, and then I'm also going to set that aside with the onion until I am ready to cook. Into a soup pot or a stock pot, I'm not sure what you call it, you're going to add in a little bit of vegetable oil, not too much, and now we're going to cook our chicken. This will cook really quickly because the chicken is really thinly sliced, so just keep an eye on it, and once it's fully cooked through, we will remove onto a clean plate. And into the same pot, we are going to go ahead and add in our onions. And then I'm just going to hit it with just a pinch of salt just to get those onions to sweat a little bit. And then we will cook them for, I don't know, 3 to 4 minutes, just until they're fully cooked through. Once the onions are done, we're going to go ahead and add in our garlic, and you're going to cook this until fragrant, about 60 seconds, making sure to stir so the garlic doesn't burn. And now we go in with our crushed tomatoes, and make sure to get all that sauce out. Into the pot now goes our chicken stock. You're going to need about 3 cups total. And now it is time to season the sauce. So of course salt and pepper to taste, and then we are going to do about a tablespoon of sugar, some marjoram because it's me, some basil, you can do dried or fresh, whatever your heart desires, some garlic powder, and then oregano. And we are going to finish it off with some red pepper flakes. Again, to taste, I only did about a 1/4 teaspoon. Gonna mix this, and then you're gonna let this come up to a little boil. You can see on the sides it's bubbling a little bit. So now we're gonna add our chicken back in, and we are also going to add in our pasta. I just used a whole bunch of different pastas because that's what I had left over, and I hate to throw stuff out, so mine was just a medley of pasta. Now you're going to cook that until the noodles are fully cooked through, about 20-25 minutes. Depending on what pasta you use, it may take a little bit longer. And we are going to go ahead and finish this off with some mozzarella. I only did about 1/2 cup here, but you could definitely do more. And then of course it wouldn't be chicken parm without Parmesan, so we're going to grate some Parmesan in, and then you'll just plate and enjoy.